You guys, I found the sickest place to skate ever. Come with me. We just got to Surf Dojo in Costa Rica, Jaco, and this it's a concrete ramp that comes with like trainings after school and for all the locals here. It's a really fun park, slippery and perfect for skate maneuvers on surf skate and carver. I'm practicing a couple runs. Come with me and watch. I'm working on big power slides and like grab rail airs. How's that? You have to like time it perfect, and it's hard to do it on slopey, but I'm practicing that for my surfing. The hard thing about the power slides on these ramps is that the contributing weight from one foot to the other to slide your tail and front foot. Like this is how I do them. I'm gonna keep practicing at the dojo. You should always come to visit in Costa Rica, and I'll see you guys next time.